Hi, you guys. Okay, so today we're going to be working out of VS Code and we're going to push our code to GitHub. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video step by step. So follow along if you are wanting to push some of your code, but of course, the name of your files and things of that nature is going to be different. Um, Possibly. I mean, or else you could just do this as like a homework assignment. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is open up VS Code. I have a PC, so I don't have a Mac, so that is what I'm using here. Um, Let me see here. Okay, so then you're going to select the View tab at the top and click on the Command palette. Okay. So then you're going to type in here, terminal. We're going to select the default profile, and then we're going to select Git Bash. So this is going to take us to the terminal where we can kind of work out of that, if it'll come up. Should be coming up soon here. Okay, let's just try control. Oh. New terminal. Okay, you can also do that, just new terminal. Okay, so we are in Git Bash. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and we're on the desktop. Exactly. That's exactly where you want to be. I mean, if you choose to, that's where I choose to kind of do all of my work. And then now you want to go to your GitHub. So log in to your GitHub, click at the top where it says sign in and everything. Okay. And then you want to copy your profile here. So I'm going to go to my profile and copy it. Oh, well, let me see here. No. Yeah. So just make sure that you're logged in basically to where you can see these options up at the top and you're just not on your profile, but you're actually logged into it. Okay. So then up at the top here where it says the plus sign, you want to click on new repository. So here it should have you put in a repository name. You can, of course, name this whatever you want it to be. I'm going to name mine test. Okay. And then I'm going to do public. Click on public. And then you want to click add readme. And then click create repository. Okay. So we created test. Now you want to go ahead and click on code. And you're going to want to click on the copy. Okay, so we copied this link here. Let's make sure it's copied. Okay. All right. So now we can kind of move this over to the side, and then we are going to go back to our terminal. Okay. And we're going to type in git clone and then copy what you just had there. So what this is doing is it's cloning your, it's making a copy of what is in GitHub. So we're doing that on our terminal because we're going to push um, whatever we do in our terminal to GitHub. So, all right. So then we're going to go, we're going to cd into git test. Uh-oh, no such file. Okay, so let me see exactly where I'm at. I am in there. Okay. So, one second here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in users, mHughes, and then desktop. What I want to be in is test because test has that README in there. So we're going to go cd test. Okay, so now let's see where we're at. Exactly. Okay, so now that we're in test, we're going to go ahead and let me see here. Oh. Now that we're in test, we're going to click on the README file and we're going to just put anything in here. We're going to put 2 of these number signs. Okay. And then on the next line, just type your name, something simple. Hey, I am in GitHub now. This is just a message I'm typing so that when this shows up in your GitHub, you'll see, like, I'll just type my name. That's a little bit better. Okay. So after you type this, you're going to click save. And you can do that by going to file and then clicking save, or else you can also do Control+S on your keyboard. Okay, so now we're going to go down to the terminal again. And we are going to now push this file up to GitHub. So let's just go git status. Uh-oh. Okay, so as you can see, it says README. That README file has been modified. Okay, which is good news because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to modify this file so that we can now push it up to GitHub. Okay, so now that we see that, we're going to go ahead and do git add dot. Dot means that we're just adding this file that's open in our editor. Okay, and then git commit m and the message updated name to file. Okay, and then git push origin main. Okay. All right, you guys. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is go back to my GitHub and see the changes that I made here. There it is, Monique Nicole Houston. That's exactly what I have here. Monique Nicole Houston, you see? And then it's inside of test. It's in my GitHub accounts. Let me go to my repositories just to show you. This is it. So I click on test and then Monique Nicole Houston. All right, you guys. So that is how you push something up to GitHub. This is a file that we actually created. I'm going to be doing more of these. So maybe I'll do something like in the future, pushing files that you already have in your um, in your directory already to GitHub. But this one was if maybe, when you're a developer, you're going to start working on projects with other people and creating different branches. So you want to contribute to the mastery of the whole project by pushing your code up to the main branch. So that's what we just did. And I hope you guys learned something from this. I definitely did. This is part of the homework series that I'm learning. We've been learning a lot of GitHub and Git. So it's definitely something that you would need to learn because you're going to be dealing with this on an everyday basis, being a developer. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great night, and until next time. All right. Bye-bye.